This is a learning video made by a student in Mobile Technology for 21st Century, which is an introduction course in computer science offered at Hawaii Pacific University. In this video, I'm going to talk about cell reference in Excel. There are two main addresses that are most often used: absolute address and relative address. The difference between them is that they act differently when being copied in cells. Relative address is usually the one that is being used the most when working with formulas. Both the column and the row will change when copied. In this demonstration, I want to find out the total price of each item that has been sold. I will start entering the formula with an equal sign. Then I want to choose the B2 cell, which is the value of the item's price. Make a times sign, and then the value of the C2 sign, which is the quantity. Then I'll press enter when I'm done, and the total price of the item will come up. There is a quick and easy step to copy the formula. By using the fill handle, you can drag and copy the formula to the rows below. If you then click on each row, you can see how the formula has changed. There might be times when you don't want the cell reference to change. In this demonstration, I've added a column to find out the sales tax for each item. Start your formula with an equal sign. Then I want to multiply B3 with C3 in parentheses. Then multiply that with E1, which contains our tax rate. And then press enter to get the total tax amount. When I try to use the fill handle to copy the formula to the other cells below, an error sign will show up. To get this correct, we will have to use a formula that locks the E1 cell when we use the fill handle to copy. The solution is absolute address, which means that the column and the row will not change when copied. To add absolute address to the formula, you need to make a dollar sign in front of both the E and the 1 to lock both the column and the row from changing when being copied. If you try again to copy the formula, the error will go away and the correct tax amount will show up. Now when I'm done with my demonstration, I hope you have learned the differences between the relative and absolute address and how to use them when working with formulas in Excel.